Hello. All right. This is my third presentation. This one is on Theodor von Karman, who was a Austrian-Hungarian physicist. All right. So his early life and his introduction to aerospace. So Karman was born on November 11th, 1881 in Budapest, Hungary. As a kid, he always loved the mathematics and sciences. He was especially interested in physics and calculus to the point where his teachers were surprised by how quickly he understood concepts and by how quickly he was advancing. And he demonstrated this ability for numbers by getting a PhD in Göttingen University in Germany, which was considered to be one of the best universities in Europe at the time. It was also impressive at the age that he did this. Did this at the age of 26, which, even if you think about it today, PhD usually takes about 8 years after high school. So the fact that he was doing this in the 1920s is just incredible. So his early career. After he fought in World War I, he went and lectured using his PhD to get teaching jobs. And he started to gain attention from his lectures. And he also had attention from military leaders and was asked to help research the atomic bomb. But his real claim to fame was when he was invited to speak with Robert Millikan at Caltech University in 1928. Robert Millikan, if you did not already notice, was the discoverer of the electron, and so the fact that Karman was being invited to speak with him really boosted his career. His time at Caltech. So approximately 5 years passes, and Caltech offers him a job as a physics and aeronautics instructor. Karman was noted for the experiments that he helped the students out with. He conducted and led a lot of hands-on activities, a lot of hands-on learning, and was really one of the very few instructors at the school to do this. And this is where he really started to make his greatest contribution to aerospace, which is jet propulsion. That is essentially the study of the thrust of the engine, the wind tunnel, and everything relating to the movement of the aircraft through air. And early in his career, he noted several issues with aerospace and came up with solutions. For instance, in the 1940s, he noted several issues with takeoffs and landings. One of the issues he saw was causing this were that jet pumps were filling with water, and he fixed this by making a smoother wind tunnel and testing different metals to see which would give the best propeller and testing which metals would be the best for the plating of the aircraft. And he elected to work in the US over Europe because he was given more funding at Caltech than he would be at universities overseas. He was he accomplished other noteworthy feats though. One of these being the experiments he led on gliders, weather, and math. And in 1952, he was offered a high position in the Pentagon. The Pentagon is like the head of national defense, so this was a very prestigious job title he was being offered. And in the year 1963, he was awarded the first ever National Medal of Science by JFK. And these are my works cited. yeah, that is all I have for y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed. Bye.